you like cars and or coffee. Hello, my name is Inge and this is EVTV Ireland. It's time for Cars and Coffee again, and today I'm going to tell you about two upcoming events. On Sunday the 3rd of November, the 16th Cork Cars and Coffee will be held at Costa Coffee at Turner's Cross in Cork from 11 until 1 o'clock. Next up, we have EV Information Open Day in Coffee, Tea and Cake in Navan at Unit 11C, Molligboy Industrial Estate on Sunday the 24th of November between 12 and 4, which coincides with EV Electric Vehicles celebrating the opening of their new premises. Congratulations! You can find out more about them at electriccarsales.ie. If you are organizing an EV event and would like us to mention it, please email production@evtv.ie and let us know. Thanks for watching.